So today the sky looks pretty ominous here in Texas, but what better day to have a good day than today? In fact, today, guys, there's something crazy that's about to happen, and you're coming along for this one. This is insane, and I cannot wait. This is going to change everything, and it's going to be so epic, and I can't wait. Just come along. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so we are back in the OG. We are in the Roadrunner. It's me and Dad and Mom in the back here, and we are off to change the way that we see travel. I'm just gonna say that. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. It's gonna be so cool. Yeah, we're in the OG Roadrunner right now. Okay guys, stopping for a minute, getting some food. Hungry, got stuff going on, but look at this pizza. There's a piece missing because I'm already eating it. This is not a food review. I repeat, this is not a food review. We'll get to what we're really here for in just a minute. We just really needed some food. This is a big thing that's going on, so we need nourishment. Okay guys, as always, I have some food to go, but we are at Dieter Brothers in Lindsay, Texas, and there's something right over here that we're gonna be picking up. Oh my gosh, do you see that guy over there, that big guy? Do you see it? Do you see it? In we go, guys. So look at this, oh my goodness, standing up. Isn't this fun? Oh my goodness. So we came to Lindsay, Texas. We ate at Dieter Brothers. We found this van like a couple days ago, and oh my gosh, do you love it? Do you love it? Oh my goodness. So I told you everything was gonna change. There is a new van being introduced right here on the channel, but let's not get too crazy just yet. We're still ironing out some details. So I'm gonna show you around real quick so you can kind of see what the van has to offer. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. So this right here, it'll probably go, but it's a bulkhead in between the front and the back. There is one side door that completely opens. Look at how much space is in this thing. And again, it's like 6'2" or 6'3" in here, so that's so tall. And there's lights in here and wiring already, but there's also room for insulation. Isn't that awesome? But there's more, In the back, there's already a step up, so you could step up to get into the garage. There's a nice step down right here, so it makes it a little bit easier to get in and out of the side door. There's a light bar right here, so that's positive. There's so much room for activities. Oh my goodness, this is going to be awesome. But there's more. Let's go and look to see what's on the other side of this. Okay, so inside we have 2 chairs. So 2 seats right here, a nice little pass-through aisle. So after this is gone, you'll be able to scoot straight into the back. This thing is a diesel, and it's a 2006. Now, with that, there are going to be some very different challenges than you have seen here on the channel previously. I think that it's gonna be really great though, guys. I think it's gonna be really great. Now, all of this for the whopping price of $7,950, which is a great price. I've been pricing vans for quite some time that are larger, and all of them have a very large price tag. But let's look around some more. A couple nice cup holders right here. There's even a little clipboard mount right here. Now, something kind of interesting. This is a 2006, so it still has a tape deck in it, which okay, that's interesting. Now, stepping up is a hefty little step right here. This is a big boy, so likely we'll probably have to put some kind of like thing on it to make it a little bit easier, but again, there's more. They have all of these little compartments and door compartments, huge deep pockets, and here is that side door that we were talking about. Ugh. It's a big boy door right there. That is a big boy door. Hi, Dad. Okay, just kidding, just kidding. Okay guys, the sale is final. It is going home with us today, but I do have one thing I have to tell you. This isn't my van. This is my parents' van. They are going to be joining the road journey and having their very own adventure van. And I'm so excited about this. Now they're going to be planning what they're going to be doing with this. I'm gonna be sharing some of that along the way. And this guy right here, he has our keys. He has the keys. I think you can see why I was super excited today now. I have been on the road now for 5 years, and I've been able to go places with my parents individually because of their work schedules, but Dad's getting ready to retire and Mom's just right behind that. So this is gonna be their start to their fun adventures. There's gonna be so many cool things happening. And again, I'm gonna show you a lot of that on my channel, but I'm trying to convince Dad he needs a channel of his own. If he does that, you know I'll be telling you what it is, so you can follow all of the fun things that he's up to also. Okay guys, so now it's gonna be one for old time's sake. I'm gonna be driving good old little Roadrunner here back to base camp and following Mom and Dad in their brand new van. Well, brand new used van. There's gonna be some work ahead and some projects because this thing is a 2006, but at the same time, it is gonna be so fun to see them get to create their own special space. And again, I can't wait to share it with you guys kind of along the way as they go. There's a lot of fun ideas circulating around and Dad's already started researching, so I can't wait to show you more. But for now, let's get on the road and make sure everything's okay. I know the feeling whenever I drove Dimples off the lot for the first time. It was just such an exciting moment. So I can only imagine as they're kind of driving back to base camp that all sorts of ideas are going to be swirling, guys. Oh, new chapter time, new chapter time. And while we're driving back to base camp, I'm going to be testing out this new little power station also. I thought this was just the cutest thing whenever it came in, and it has ports for 2 phones. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this little bad boy on. There it is. And I'm going to charge my phone while I'm going down the road. Now, if you've been with me for a long time, you know that I drove the Roadrunner for a considerable amount of time. In fact, almost putting about 100,000 miles on this bad boy. In the meantime, there's this little plug-in down here, and don't mind this. This little plug-in though kind of got a short. So now we're having to do this. And you know what? I'm really liking the size of this. It's just like the size of the palm of my hand, and it's so cute. But I'll be telling you more about that a little bit later. Getting all ready to hit the road. Woohoo! Of course, I'm going to be following behind them to make sure everything is good. And look at that thing. It's so big. Oh my goodness. There it goes, there it goes. Oop, oop, look at that. Now, obviously, I have some friends who have big vans. However, seeing this one, it really puts into perspective the size difference between Dimples and my parents' new van. I'm really eager to see what it looks like when they're parked side by side. I think that's just gonna be wild looking. Mine is basically like the Just Add Water van, and Dad and Mom's is like the full grown, like grown-up van. So given I still like mine because of the fuel economy. Dad is going to be paying premium right now because it is a diesel, and diesel is so expensive right now. So we're gonna have to get him a gas card for all the different truck stops so he can get his fuel discounts and everything else.